Hello, everybody! We are thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious mind, or just someone looking to learn something new, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Tech Monetize Official. This is your go-to channel for everything tech-related, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and uncover the secrets that make our gadgets tick. Today, we're embarking on a unique treasure hunt. Not for gold or jewels, but for something far more intriguing and essential, hidden within the devices we use every day. I'm talking about rare earth metals, the secret ingredients powering your phone, computer, and car. These metals are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in our modern technology. These metals are the superheroes of the periodic table, with magnetic and electronic powers that make our modern world tick. Imagine a world without them. No smartphones, no laptops, no electric cars. It's almost unimaginable, right? Without them, our lives would look very different. Picture a day without your phone or computer. How would you communicate, work, or entertain yourself? These metals are the unsung heroes that make it all possible. Every swipe on your phone, every song in your headphones, they're there, working behind the scenes. They ensure that your devices function smoothly, providing you with the seamless experience you've come to expect. They're incredibly valuable, not just in terms of money, but in what they allow us to do. From enabling advanced medical equipment to powering renewable energy solutions, their applications are vast and vital. So, get comfortable as we uncover the secret world of rare earth metals. We'll explore their origins, their uses, and why they are so indispensable in our daily lives. It's going to be a fun ride. Stay tuned and let's dive into the incredible journey of rare earth metals together. You won't want to miss a single moment. All right, let's get into it. You might have heard the term rare earth metals tossed around in science news, tech blogs, or even in discussions about electric cars and green energy. But what exactly are these mysterious materials and why do they matter so much? Well, despite the name, rare earth elements aren't actually all that rare in the Earth's crust. The real challenge is that they're rarely found in large, concentrated deposits, which makes them tricky and expensive to mine and refine. Think of rare earth metals as a special box of crayons for scientists and engineers. Just like how each crayon brings a unique color to your drawing, each rare earth element brings its own special property to the table. These elements are the secret ingredients that help us create the vibrant, high-tech world we live in today. There are 17 rare earth elements in total, and they all sit together in a special section of the periodic table. This group includes the 15 lanthanides, plus scandium and yttrium. Each one has its own unique atomic structure, which gives it special abilities that scientists and engineers love to use. For example, neodymium is famous for making incredibly strong magnets. So strong, in fact, that they're used in everything from headphones to wind turbines. Other rare earths, like europium and terbium, can glow in brilliant reds and greens when exposed to certain types of light, making them perfect for use in TV screens and energy-efficient light bulbs. Engineers and scientists often mix these metals together, almost like blending spices in a recipe, to create new materials with just the right properties. This careful mixing allows us to build technology that's lighter, stronger, and more efficient than ever before. Take your smartphone, for example. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet it's packed with more computing power than the computers that sent astronauts to the moon. Rare earth metals are a big reason why your phone can be so slim, light, and powerful all at once. These elements make it possible to shrink down electronic components, so we can have faster processors, brighter screens, and longer-lasting batteries. Without rare earths, our gadgets would be bulkier, slower, and a lot less fun to use. Rare earth metals are also the hidden stars behind the scenes in things like TV screens, hard drives, and even the tiny motors that make your phone vibrate. They help create the vivid colors on your display and store massive amounts of data in tiny spaces. As technology keeps advancing, our appetite for these elements only grows. From electric vehicles and renewable energy systems to the latest gadgets and medical devices, rare earth metals are the unsung heroes powering our modern world. So next time you pick up your phone or watch a movie on a bright, colorful screen, remember, it's all possible thanks to these remarkable and surprisingly essential rare earth thingies. The name rare earth metals is actually a bit of a misnomer, and it often confuses people who are new to the topic. When you hear the word rare, you might imagine these elements are almost impossible to find, hidden away in only the most remote corners of the planet. But in reality, that's not the case at all. Many rare earth elements are actually more abundant in the Earth's crust than some of the metals we use every day. For example, cerium, one of the most well-known rare earth elements, is actually more common than silver or lead. You might be surprised to learn that it's found in many types of rock all over the world, not just in a few special places. So, if they're not truly rare, why do we call them that? The real challenge with rare earth metals is that they're not concentrated in large, easy-to-mine veins like gold or copper. Instead, they're scattered in tiny amounts across vast areas, mixed in with other minerals. This means that even though there's a lot of them out there, they're not easy to get to. Imagine trying to pick out individual grains of salt from a giant cookie. That's what mining rare earths is like. It takes a huge amount of effort just to collect a small amount of usable material, and the process can be painstakingly slow. Extracting these elements isn't just about digging them up. It involves complex chemical processes to separate the rare earths from the surrounding rock and other minerals. These steps require specialized equipment, skilled workers, and a lot of energy, making the whole operation both difficult and expensive. All of this adds up to make rare earth metals economically rare. Even though they're not physically scarce, the cost and effort required to extract and refine them means they're not easily available on the market. Only a handful of places around the world have deposits with high enough concentrations to make mining worthwhile. These locations are often geopolitically sensitive, which adds another layer of complexity to the supply chain. So, while rare earth metals may not be rare in the traditional sense, the difficulty and expense of extracting them is what truly makes them valuable, and why they're so important in today's high-tech world. Look around your house. Rare earth metals are everywhere. Your smartphone's vibrant screen and tiny motor rely on them. Electric cars use them for powerful magnets and pollution reduction. They're in your TV, headphones, and even light bulbs. These elements are the secret ingredients of our modern lifestyle. From morning to night, you're interacting with rare earth metals. Rare earth metals are crucial for renewable energy. Wind turbines use them for powerful generators. These magnets make turbines efficient and cost-effective. A single turbine contains hundreds of kilograms of rare earths. They're key to building a clean energy future. Solar panels also benefit from these elements. The demand for green energy drives the need for rare earth metals. Mining rare earth metals has environmental downsides. The process uses harsh chemicals, creating toxic waste. This waste can contaminate soil and water, harming ecosystems. Poor working conditions and social issues also arise. It's important to be aware of these challenges. We can support companies committed to responsible sourcing. China dominates the rare earth market, producing most of the world's supply. This concentration of power makes other countries nervous. The US, Australia, and others are seeking new sources. It's a matter of economic and national security. Global competition is reshaping politics and trade. Who controls rare earths will have a major advantage. The future demands more rare earth metals. As technology advances, so does the need for these elements. Recycling old electronics could be a new source. Scientists are also exploring substitutes. The story of rare earth metals is still being written. It's a tale of science, innovation, and global politics. What a journey. From phones to green energy, rare earth metals are vital. They're the secret superheroes of technology. Behind every gadget is an incredible story. I hope you enjoyed learning about this hidden fortune. Stay curious and support responsible tech practices. Subscribe for more amazing stories from Tech Monetize Official.